So I know what you're thinking. 2 videos in 2 days, what's going on? Well, firstly, a very Merry Christmas to all of you who celebrate Christmas this time of year. I really do appreciate you being with me this whole year with all kinds of different recipes and for all of your feedback and engagement. I really enjoy it. And what I'm going to be doing is doing another Q&A session. And so I thought I'd make a very special video reaching out to you to ask you for your feedback and your questions. So please, in the comment section below, please put down any questions that you would like me to answer in a Q&A video, or if you'd like, you can visit my Facebook page, and that link is below in the comment section as well. Drop me a message on there, or on my Instagram, which that link is below in the comment section as well. I really do love your questions, and you guys fuel this channel and fuel the things that I do. So please, please, please send me your questions and your comments in any of those 3 methods. Thank you so much for watching this channel, for all your support this year, and I hope that your Christmas is filled with love and family and friends. Merry Christmas.